I recommend this for anyone. Guys, welcome to my channel. How's everything? What you watching? How's quarantine going? Are you back to work? What's happening? If you like what you see, comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to push that notification bell as well. Today, we are doing my current favorites. So without further ado, let's get right to it. One thing I bought is a Kate Spade 2-zip wallet holder. I love this because it holds my cash envelopes in the front, like my grocery cash envelopes, certain items that I know that I'm gonna go to when I go to the grocery store, or if I go to a certain store and I don't want to bring my bag, I can just hold it like this, and that's that, hands-free. Come on, if I didn't have my envelopes, it's room to have my phone in here. The next thing that I love about this wallet is that it's so many compartments, 20 card compartments. Also, it's a compartment where you can put change and money as well. It's a compartment where you can put your coins right here, and you could use that for like your receipts or personal documents that you have. But when I tell you this bad boy will hold everything, it will hold everything. The next thing I'm gonna talk about is something that I should have bought a long time ago. Love it. It is the Eco Tool drying brush. I have been looking at certain people and they have been talking about the drying brush and the benefits of the drying brush before you take a shower. And so I bought this at Target. Nothing fancy. I think it was like $4 or $5. I am loving this item. And it's so crazy because I knew about this item, but I never paid attention to it. And since this pandemic has been taking place, I think sometime in April, and it was no toilet tissue anywhere, no toilet paper, nothing dealing with toiletry items. I think I was following one of those save budget people on Instagram. Good wipes. You guys, I love these wipes. I have it at Target, I believe, but I would recommend for you to buy it online because they have like big packs, and I think this is a 60 pack. And I bought like 3 or 4 of them because I didn't know when I was gonna get any toilet paper. This is the Shea Cocoa Soothing Aloe Vitamin E, safe for sensitive skin and pH balance, and it elevates your clean. Look on the website, they always have like promotions, promos. Good wipes, y'all. Get to next. I don't know if everybody has this issue dealing with finding a good deodorant, natural deodorant. I have used to use, the typical deodorants, but I have been trying to go more on a natural side, and I have been struggling. Good deodorant that like lasts for a long time. Native didn't work. Natural, other brand, I've tried them all. One of my friends posted something about play pits. This right here, this is called Play Pit for Us by Moms, Queen Natural Deodorant, and it is black owned. But when I tell you guys, you know how certain deodorants, if you wear white or anything like that, it will just come through your clothes. I have not had no trouble with that. I have not had no trouble with just anything. Not with smelling this like at 12, 3 o'clock. This is all day good wear. I've had no troubles and I love it. I recommend this for anyone, especially if you're trying to go to the natural brand and nothing else is not working for you and you've tried them all. The truth. Next favorite that I love, I don't know, it's something about self-care and trying to get my face right. I don't know if anyone is having this problem, but ever since I've been at home, I guess I'm not getting the full sun experience since we've been in quarantine and we have been trying to stay home as much as we can. My skin has been going crazy. And also, I don't know, it's a thing, acne. I think a lot of people have been saying that they've been getting that too, but I always had really, really good skin, and lately my skin has just not been okay. But this right here I wanted to test it. It's from Sweet Chef, and it brightens in dark spots and uneven tone. I don't do a lot. I try to do as minimal as I can, but I don't use this every day. I just use this maybe 2 to 3 times a week, just because I don't want to go overboard. But I really do like it. It has a little droplet. It's so cute, and it's very affordable. This one was like maybe $3.99, $4, $3 or $4, I think. So, but I think the big one is like $9 or $20. I'm not for sure. But check it out. It's at Target. You have reached the end of my video. I hope you guys like my current favorite. If you have any quarantine favorites or just things that you've been loving, comment below and let me know what you guys like. I'm very curious because, honey, my coins just been buying stuff and I need to stop. I've been doing pretty good, and now it's just like, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.